Hi lovelies, welcome to my channel. It's Zima again, and you are tuned in for yet another interesting video. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you few but interesting tips that you can use to grow your hair thicker and fuller this 2021. If that looks like what you're interested in, please keep on watching. Ensure you watch this video to the end. Do not touch that dive button. So guys, let's go. So guys, to begin, I have about 7 tips which I'm going to be sharing with you in today's video. Guys, stick around and ensure you watch the end, because number 7 is the most important of them all. So the first tip that I'm going to be giving you today is get regular trims. Having your split ends trimmed off immediately gives your hair the appearance of being thicker. Over time, trimming your hair keeps it healthy from roots to tips. Number 2, try to distress. Do you know that stress can cause hair loss? The more you lose hair, the more your hair becomes sparse. Try not to stress too much. Always try to get some rest as much as you can. Get plenty sleep. Get regular exercises and drink as much water as you can. These are the things that can help you relax. Number 3, castor oil. I find castor oil to be most effective for adding fullness to my hair. They help with strengthening of the hair, moisture, and thickness. You can add castor oils in your deep conditioners, your shampoos, your strengthening treatments, whatever you have, your leave-in conditioners. These are the various ways you can incorporate castor oil in your regimen for effective results. You can use it to massage your scalp. You can use it as pre-poo. Castor oil is amazing when it comes to thickening of hair. Let me shock you that castor oil can actually help with dandruff and scalp issues. Yes, regular use of castor oils on the scalp can actually help with scalp issues, especially dandruff. Castor oil helps with moisture. It's amazing for people with high porosity hair. Get your castor oil today and you'll be glad you did. Number 4, black tea or green tea rinses. Now, black tea or green tea's properties help block the dihydrotestosterone, in short DHT, that is responsible for hair shedding. It also helps to nourish and strengthen your delicate strands. They also help to keep hair firmly rooted to the scalp. Dihydrotestosterone blockers, DHT blockers, are the most effective hair loss treatment. Number 5, eat healthy diets. Healthy foods full of antioxidant flavonoids help strengthen hair follicles, which in turn help prevent premature hair fall. Examples of food rich in antioxidant flavonoids includes strawberries, blueberries, cherries, bananas, plums, apples, oranges, and many more. Food rich in antioxidant flavonoids are mostly found in brightly colored fruits and vegetables. So look out for brightly colored fruits and vegetables. Buy them, eat them, cook them, eat them, because these foods are rich in antioxidant flavonoids, which will in turn help strengthen your hair follicles and help your hair remain stronger and without shedding. Also, food rich in iron help increase the production of red blood cells in the body. The red blood cells carries nutrients to the hair, which helps strengthen the hair and improve texture. Number 6, use thickening shampoo and conditioner. The benefits you gain from using this is that it increases hair regeneration, strength of hair, and nourish the hair antioxidants and nutrients that your hair needs. Avoid using chemical-based products. The presence of harmful chemicals in hair products can cause further damage to the hair. Natural products made from naturally occurring ingredients should be used on thin hair because they do not cause damage. Number 7, hair supplements. Another miracle solution towards having fuller and thicker hair is through supplements. Hair supplements provide your hair with the nutrients that they actually need. Those nutrients that you can't get from food, you can actually get them from the supplements that you take. So hair supplements are very, very important if you actually need your hair to grow thicker and fuller. Once you notice that you have started losing hair in a faster way, start eating healthy and also start taking some vitamins. Start taking vitamins. These are the things that can help you boost your hair density. Supplements can actually help you boost your hair density. I can attest to this because I take supplements. Also, I have a store that I sell hair supplements. For those of you who don't know, you can check that store out at NeoCellNG on Instagram. For those of you abroad, I advise you shop on the website. I have a store dedicated to this brand, which I believe is very, very effective because I've seen a lot of improvements from taking the supplements from this brand. Kindly head on to Instagram and check some of these supplements out. And before you take any supplement, please ensure you consult your doctor for advice before embarking on taking any supplements. So guys, try to eat healthy, try to take some supplements to help your hair flourish. That's all for today's video, guys. If you have any question for me, please leave it down below in the comment section and I will do my best to reply all your comments. And secondly, if you think that there's anything I didn't touch, please let me also know in the comment section. Kindly share with us so that we can learn from you. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I remain your baby girl, Dima Okike. I'm signing out. Please remember to give me a thumbs up if you do enjoy this video. Also, share my videos with your friends, especially if you found this video helpful. Thank you so much for watching once again, and we are on our way to 20k subscribers. Please make this happen for your girl. Subscribe to my channel, turn on post notification for future videos, share my videos. Thank you guys so much for watching today's videos and getting up to this point. I will see you in my next video by God's grace. Bye, loves.